So this year, my 3-year-old suggested that we have a spider-themed Halloween this year. So every single day, we are going to slowly but surely just completely infest the house with spiders. Here we go. So I started off slow. On day 1, I added these spider stickers to the window. My goal was to sort of like the bats, just kind of have them be like flowing upward, kind of almost in a single file line, but not really. They look really creepy as a shadow. We do have screens on half of our doors, and I just stuck them right there to it, and so far so good. We also have this like blank wall. I got these little spider things for like $3 at Walmart, so I have a bunch of them, so we have a lot left over. And I gotta say, they give a cute little creepy crawly effect. As someone who does not like spiders, these are very cute. Then on day 2, we added some ghosts that stand up. I really liked these, aside from the fact that they keep blowing over in the wind. But if you don't live in a windy place, and these are great and perfect. They're very simple to put together, and I will say the sheets are thick. Sometimes whenever you purchase these kits, the sheets end up being really thin. You can see the lights through them, and you can see the stand. But these are very good. I think I got them for $40 on Amazon. I will link them below. Again, if you live somewhere windy, I even tried putting rocks on the bottom of them. It was not a success. So they're now inside, but while they were outside, they were super cute. And it also comes with these little stickers for the eyes and the mouth. Adorable. Such a great little effect. And of course, on day 3, the spiders are back. I got this kind of creepy web from Amazon again. It actually turned out to just be a really long sheet of gauze. And so you had to cut your holes yourself. So I was very much kind of going off the inspiration from the photo that I saw on Amazon. And yeah, I just... more is less, so just keep on slicing little holes into it. And again, I did this on the windiest day of the year, obviously, but really just kind of going for the layering effect, I guess. Pull them as tight as you can and just as many holes as possible. And then I got a pack of 3 of these giant spiders. I think they're 50 inches, from foot to foot, and I like them. They're cute. And they have a little hook on the bottom of them to hook onto the house. So that was great. But then whenever I did that, I was blocking the ghost. So I ended up moving the ghost over to the door. And I think it turned out so good. And it's been 1 week. He is still hanging up there, y'all. So I'm pretty impressed. All right, now we're getting into the hard stuff, the spider webs. And really, I think that I made this look very simple. We have this large bush in front of our house, and I just wanted to cover it with spider webs. I just pulled, and this was very hard. This took forever. I felt like I was keep seeing the white lines everywhere, so every single time I saw one, I would just try and pull it even more. Again, I think I make this look very easy. It is not. It is not for the faint of heart, but a little bit goes a long way, I guess. And I had to use a stick sometimes to pull it over the bushes, and it works. I mean, the quality is good for spider webs that have to pull apart. I don't know. Anyway, then I had a genius idea of essentially attaching the spider web to the house and kind of having it flow down, kind of it looks like lava. I was going for more of a waterfall effect, or I don't know, something cooler. I don't know why I thought it would cling to the rocks more. So I had to really attach the spider web to the ground with larger rocks. I think it turned out pretty cool, but again, very much just kind of wherever the wind kind of took me on this one. I tried going horizontally and vertically to to try and layer, and ultimately I gave up on that dream and just started to layer the original lava flow. I keep calling it lava. It looks like lava to me. I don't know. And finally, the fifth day, which was my favorite day, the pumpkins and the florals. Now, this was my favorite, not only because it was relatively simple. I mean, I did have to get rid of all of the dead plants from summertime. I got half that were the fake flowers from Amazon and half real flowers. That's kind of how I like to trick people into thinking that they're all real. So I got these that kind of hang over. Love these. So cute. The greatest pop of color. I love the purple. I love the orange. And I even have a cute little spot that I can put in some real flowers. Now this one, I just stuck it all full of the fake flowers. And again, love the colors. Like the warmth. This is just the vibe. This is the vibe and I love it. It's so pretty. So anyway, this was my favorite because things just start to kind of tie in whenever you bring in those pops of color. So now I'm going to go to Walmart and look for some pumpkins and some flowers to put on the porch. I think that's the area that needs it the most. Now, full disclosure, I think I spent $100 on flowers and $100 on the pumpkins as well. Again, I got it all from Walmart. Super cute. I love it. Had to add in the Mickey pumpkin in there too. But this is our final reveal and I love it. It's so cute.